Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to resize your Windows UI when you are scaling up the VirtualBox window. So if I expand this VirtualBox window, you can see it's not expanding the Windows UI. So to expand the windows when you are scaling up, go to devices and click insert guest additions. And now if you go to files and this PC. So here you can see now it inserted this VirtualBox guest edition. So double click on that and open that, and now you have to install these guest editions on your machine. So depending on your processor, you have to select which version to install. So here this the 86 and this is for AMD, but my processor is 64 Intel, and so I select this and double click and click yes. Click next, next, install. So now install has finished. Make sure to check this reboot now and click finish. Now it will reboot the machine again. So after that, let's see how Windows looks like. So now you can see it's expanding, and if I go to view and full screen mode, you can see now it's on full screen mode without affecting to UI. Like everything works fine. As you can see now, it feels like we are in actual operating system, but this is a virtual machine. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.